state-of-the-art laser technology ensures that every crate meets our high standards before proceeding to the next stage of production.
First, the sweet potatoes enter the automated cleaning stage, where powerful air nozzles blast away any remaining dust and debris.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the sweet potatoes are scrubbed clean by automated brushes and powerful water sprays before moving on to the next stage. The process begins with a vigorous, high-pressure wash to remove any soil and debris.
The automated system ensures that only the finest pieces move on to the next stage of the process. The freshly peeled sweet potatoes are now moved along the conveyor belt, where they receive a high-pressure, continuous water rinse.
Freshly harvested sweet potatoes are thinly sliced and move efficiently along the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of preparation. The freshly sliced sweet potatoes are moved along the conveyor, ensuring perfect separation before entering the cleansing water bath.
The dried chips are carefully channeled onto the main conveyor, ensuring an even flow before the seasoning process.
After frying, the chips are evenly distributed on the belt before heading into the automated seasoning drum.
we see the chips cascading from the multi-level racks onto the high-speed conveyor belt.
After careful washing and slicing, the chips are perfectly spread for the next stage of processing.
The chips cascade directly into the hot oil. This automated deep frying process is critical for achieving that signature crunch and golden color.
The sweet potato slices are submerged in hot oil, where they quickly turn golden brown and crispy.
Freshly refined, golden cooking oil is poured into the state-of-the-art industrial fryer. The freshly seasoned sweet potato chips now move along the conveyor belt, evenly spread for optimal cooling before packaging.
In this stage, the sweet potato chips are tumbled in our industrial drum, receiving their signature seasoning blend.
The chips are evenly seasoned and move efficiently along the stainless steel conveyor belt toward the weighing machines.
The freshly seasoned sweet potato chips now move rapidly along the conveyor, ready for the automated packaging process.
A precise cascade of vibrant orange chips onto the belt, where they are evenly spread for optimal processing.
After seasoning, the chips are evenly distributed on the high-speed conveyor, ensuring consistent quality control.
The freshly seasoned sweet potato chips cascade continuously into the large stainless steel container, ready for the next stage of the process.
Here, the sweet potato chips enter the rotating drum, where a precise amount of seasoning is evenly applied by the central agitator.
A cascade of seasoned sweet potato chips moves from the mixing machine onto the conveyor, where they are spread into a single layer. The machine efficiently forms the clear film around the funnel. The chips are dropped in, and the bag is sealed in a
Once the bags are sealed, they move rapidly to the next stage, where a high-speed inkjet printer applies the expiration date and barcode.
The packaging line utilizes advanced robotics to ensure every bag of sweet potato chips is stacked with precision and speed.
The automated packaging line ensures maximum efficiency, with robotic arms precisely placing the sweet potato.
After filling, the boxes are rapidly sealed by this high-speed taping machine before moving on to distribution. The automated robotic arm precisely stacks the finished boxes of sweet potato chips, ensuring efficiency in the packaging process. The automated robotic arm precisely stacks the finished boxes, ensuring efficiency and consistency in the palletizing process.
Our state-of-the-art logistics ensure that the sweet potato chips reach their destination efficiently, no matter the distance.